Hello and welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders by College Dunya. And today we have Dr. Nishant Chaurasia sir, who is the HOD at Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery at Rishi Raj Dental College, Bhopal. So welcome to College Dunya, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Nishta ji.
Sir, our viewers would like to get a brief introduction about yourself.
Well, Nishta ji, I am Dr. Nishant Chaurasia. Currently, I am professor and head of the Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery at Rishi Raj College of Dental Sciences and Research Center. I did my BDS from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore, and my MDS I did it from Wardha. I am a specialized maxillofacial surgeon. Our branch deals with all types of facial fractures, oral cancers, facial cosmesis, and all. After completing my post-graduation in maxillofacial surgery, I went to Spain and I learned about maxillofacial implants. So since then, since 2008, I am practicing in Bhopal. It has been almost 12 years. I have been teaching in Rishi Raj Dental College, doing surgeries there. And apart from that, I am also associated with multiple hospitals in Bhopal for emergency cases and cases of facial fractures and all. I'm also active in my associations. I was president in Indian Dental Association 2-3 years back. In fact, I won Best President Award at national level during that tenure. Apart from that, I am also a member of Medical Science University of Madhya Pradesh, Barkatullah University. And yeah, I think these are some small achievements, whatever I have done in my small career. Apart from working there in Rishi Raj College, I myself am owning a maxillofacial center in Arera Colony. I'm director of Smile Up Dental Clinic and Routine Maxillofacial Center.
That's great, sir. Sir, being the HOD at Rishi Raj Dental College for Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
I feel to achieve any task, I need a team of like-minded and positive persons. I thoroughly believe that leadership is the practice and art of motivating a group of people to pursue and act accordingly in achieving a common goal. As behind every success, there is a hard work and a selfless team, and thus it is duty and responsibility of a leader to give credit to his entire team. I always try to refrain myself uttering I did it. Instead, for me, it is always we did it and let's do it. And yes, it always works.
Okay. Sir, being an HOD, how do you strategize the marketing and administration plans for the institute?
Yeah, Nishta, we try to plan all our strategies in context with marketing and administration in advance. Our esteemed management is always open for positive suggestions for upbringing of the institute, as well as incorporating latest innovations. As per the situation and need, we prioritize our points and accordingly we execute it, act upon it. We have a very strong, learned and experienced team for doing so, and we all together work as a family. And everybody's pillar for each other.
Sir, any insights on how is the institute more welcoming to students who come from the weaker sections of society?
Yeah, Nishta, in our institute, we do have students of various economic backgrounds and almost of all the regions of our country. Without any socio-economic or regional bias, we provide a very healthy atmosphere and equal attention to all the students. In fact, we also have tie-ups with all the policies of our respective government in which they provide scholarships to the students of weak economic background and subsets of society. Partial to full tuition fees can be reimbursed through such government schemes. So we treat same to everybody and we teach them to be a part and be a fellow for each other.
Sir, according to you, what are the institute's top priorities over the upcoming 10 years?
We are already an established name at national level. In fact, few of passed out doctors are also doing well in abroad. So in next 10 years, we are sincerely looking forward to grow our institute in such a way that it becomes one of the finest names in national as well as international level. We are planning further expansion to incorporate all the innovations which makes one a best institute. For that, we have planned our strategies accordingly. We are also working on tie-ups with some prestigious foreign universities so that soon we can start students exchange program with them for kind of mutual benefit. At the same time, we will maintain already achieved integrity and fame of the institute. So these are something what we are planning for upcoming years.
Sir, what are some of the greatest strengths of Rishiraj Dental College?
Yeah, our management, faculties, non-teaching staff, our students, all are our strengths. As I told, we have a dedicated team of faculties who are constantly inspired, supported and motivated by our ever approachable management. The positive words of appreciation by our students and their parents and the quality of work they are doing after passing out from our institute are of great quality, and itself they are great pillars of our strength.
Sir, how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship at your institute with the students?
Our management always try to create very positive and healthy environment for students and staff. God has created all of us with unique qualities, and hence, instead of criticizing for shortcomings, we try to enhance everybody's maximum potentialities. Apart from studies, we keep on organizing sports and cultural meets at regular intervals. The staff and students all participate in such activities. It helps establishing a friendly and healthy rapport between everyone. So overall, it's a very healthy and cordial atmosphere throughout in our institute. And yeah, it is growing day by day.
Okay. Sir, when you first came to Rishiraj Dental College, what was your vision for the institute, and how far you have came implementing that?
Nishtha, now it has been almost 13 years since I first came and joined the institute. The journey was extremely nice as well as fruitful. We started with a BDS undergraduate institute with 100 seats, with just affiliations from Dental Council of India as well as from some local university, but with the vision and strategic planning as well as with trust and support of our respected management. Today, we are recognized institute from Dental Council of India and also from Madhya Pradesh University of Health Sciences, of course from local Barkatullah University. We are now postgraduate institutes. In fact, we are having postgraduate programs and Master of Dental Surgeries in 8 specialties of dentistry. In fact, many batches of our MDS specialists have passed. Our infrastructure has developed many folds since then, and yes, we have also got one of the best set of faculties in India.
Sir, any message you would like to give to current youth and aspiring students?
See, I would just like to say to the current youth that choose and shape your career very wisely. Thoroughly analyze yourself. How would you like to look once you finish your higher studies? What are your dreams? Your entire life depends on choices you make. And guys, never ever disregard your roots. What you are today and whatever you will be in future is due to dedicated hard work and lessons imparted to you by your parents, teachers, and so many people in your life. Always respect them and be there for them whenever they need you. Never stop learning. As it is very well said, wisdom is not a product of schooling, but an attempt of lifelong learning.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking out your valuable time and sharing your views with us.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Nishtha.